You may feel a bit unfamiliar with the term insulating glass, but in fact, it's the glass installed in home windows. The processing of insulating glass requires multiple devices, a filling machine and a bending machine work together to process aluminum spacer frames and fill them with moisture-proof molecular sieves. A butyl rubber coater applies sealant to both sides of the aluminum frames to complete the primary sealing for bonding to glass panes. The washing, cutting, and drying machine for single glass panes consists of 7 sections: feeding, washing and drying, running weight, aluminum frame pasting, synthesizing, pressing, and discharging to handle glass cleaning and synthesis. After synthesis, the glass is automatically conveyed to a full automatic sealing line linked with the cleaning machine for sealing, which has 3 sections: feeding, sealant application, and discharging. With this understanding of the processing flow, how should we choose the insulating glass machine? Contact us, Lingbo, to provide comprehensive and customized services.